Hi. So if you are working with Go Engine Python API, so it will request you, or it will require for you to put your Google Engine project name when you are initializing the Engine library in Python. Then it will open a browser and guide you to generate like sort of API key so that you can use that to log in your project here. But what happens, let's say for example, one of your colleagues or your friends want to use his or her Google Earth Engine project on your PC. So, and he has to change like the project name. So what actually happens? I want to show an example where I've been using this Google Earth Engine project on this particular PC, but now I want to use a different Google Earth Engine project named Lukman 20. So as usual, I'm going to import the libraries which have been installed on this particular Python environment. But now I don't want to use like this particular project name 1. I want to use the project name 2, which is a different Google Earth Engine project. So let me comment out. So sorry, let me change the variable name here to this new Google Earth Engine project. Then I will run this code snippet and see what will happen. So you see what happened. So it's telling me like I don't have the required permission to use this particular project because I have already a configuration or API key for this particular project on this PC. So that's why it threw this error. So what do I do so that I can use a different Google Earth Engine project on my PC? So you go to your file explorer. So you go to your local disk C. You go to users. Then you go to, depending on the name that you have on your local disk. So for my case, I'm using this particular Legion. Then you come to .config. Then you see Earth Engine. So the current Google Earth Engine project I'm using, so the API key or the configuration is saved in this particular location. So this current one here, so the API configuration that I used to kind of sign in on my PC, so it's saved in this particular credentials file. So until I remove it from my laptop, so I won't be able to use a new Google Earth Engine project or generate the API key for a new project. So what I will do is to simply delete this file. So I will paste the correct full path in the video description. So now I'll go back to my code. Then I will run this particular cell again and see what will happen. You can see that it didn't throw the error this time around because I've removed the existing configuration. So it's just for me to, it has popped up like a page on my browser on my other monitor. So it's just for me to go there and follow the usual procedure to generate a token. Then I can now paste the token here. So this is how you can change the existing Google Earth Engine Python API project on your PC. and use a different Google Earth Engine project. So I'll post the link to where you can find the configuration part on your laptop in the video description. Thank you.